In this video, I'll show you how to link data in Excel from one sheet to another. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So I have this sheet and I want to link the quantity data into this sheet. So how to do that? Just select the cell, type equal to sign, then just get back to the first sheet from where we want to link the data. Select the data and then just hit enter, and yeah, you can see the data is now linked to this sheet. So this is the method number 1, and the method number 2 is that I have this data and I want to link it directly right here. In order to do that, just select the cell first, then head to the tab insert, as you can see at the top. Then here we need to look for the option link. So just open the link, and right here my sheet is in the same document, so I'll just select place in this document. Then here we have all the sheets in the document. So this is the sheet from where I want to link the data, so I'll just select the sheet, and here you can just type the cell number or you can type the reference. So the cell number from where I want to link the data is A2. Once you type that, click on OK, and yeah, we got the link. So if I click here, you can see now we are directly linked to this sheet. And similarly, you can just paste the data to all of your cells, just like you just need to go to the corner of the box and just drag your mouse till the last name. And yeah guys, that's how you can link data in Excel. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.